This was one of my Prime Day orders. I love buying cleaning products, like I have a problem. But this one I was genuinely not sure about. It showed up and I was like, this is just a stick. This is gonna do nothing. I'd been trying to clean these burner caps forever. Like, look at this. This is embarrassing. So I tried dish soap first, scrubbed it, let it soak, and as you can see, still disgusting. The stain is just sitting there like it owns the place. So this is where the stick comes in. You just wet it and rub. And if you can hear that, it's not soft like an eraser, but it's not hard like a rock either. It's somewhere in between. Perfect for something like burner caps. But I would not use this on anything that scratches easily. And it wears down faster than I expected, just a heads up. And then you just rinse it off. And as you can see, it's actually working. Link is in the description if you want to check it out.